Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be making dinner. So this is not a how to do kind of thing, so I'm just showing you guys what we having today for dinner. I having some pork chops, some mashed potatoes, and gravy with corn. So in this pot I have my canned gravy that I already dumped in here. So this is what I used. Okay, that's what's in here. And next I have my corn in that pot, and this pot is the pot I'm gonna make my mashed potatoes in. So over here, okay, so over here I have my butter, okay, which I'm gonna be putting right here. And also, instead of water, I'm going to be using chicken broth. This is the kind I'm using, so it can give it more flavor instead of the regular water. So I dumped this one in, and I'm also gonna put some milk in. Just like that. Okay, so that's my pot. So that's gonna keep boiling until this is the mashed potatoes that I'm using today. This is the chef's cupboard mashed potatoes right here. Okay, all right, so next I will show you guys my pork chop, but my pork chop already been seasoned last night. I really didn't feel like filming the whole process, but again, I have a video before this video is posted. I'm not sure which one it is, but I will try to tell you which one it is, how I season my meats the day before and then cook it the next day. So I will try to put it on the screen and everything else, and the same ingredients that I always say I use. That is it, is nothing different. You know, I did put seasoned salt, Maggi, salt, pepper, and parsley flakes, and a little bit of oil to marinate. That is all that I put in here. So I really didn't feel like filming it because I already have something like that on my channel. So I took it out almost 15 minutes ago from the refrigerator, so I let it sit down for 15 minutes. So now I'm just gonna put it back in the oven and let it cook while we'll make this mashed potatoes, and let it cook, you know, and then make the mashed potatoes, and then I will let you guys know what's next. Okay, so now we're gonna mix some mashed potatoes. All right. Okay guys, so as you can see, my water is boiling now to add the mashed potatoes in. So I'm gonna be adding the mashed potatoes in. I'm gonna lower the stove down so it doesn't splash all over the place. Okay, so as you can see, it's boiling. I'm gonna lower it down. Let's go. So guys, this is my mashed potatoes that I made. So now I'm just gonna sit here and wait for the pork chops to finish, and then I'm gonna serve dinner. So yeah, that was very simple, right? Very simple dinner meal. So this doesn't take long. Pop in the pork chops in and let it just cook for like 30 or 40 minutes, and yeah, and I'll come back and show you guys when it's all done. Okay, you guys, so I am done with my dinner. As you can see, the pork chop has already been done. Let me zoom you in. The pork chop, don't they look good? They taste good too. So I'm gonna dish out. I'm only gonna dish out 2 plates today, and yes, I do use paper plates because no one wants to wash dishes, including me. So I'm gonna use 2 plates, and the rest will be later. Okay, so here I'm going to put 1 pork chops per, what's the name, as you can see, and then I'll put the gravy. But then when it comes to the corn, they don't want it, but they're gonna eat it with pineapple as the side dish of a fruit, so I don't have a problem with that. So I have some pineapples in the refrigerator, which they will eat as their side dish as vegetables. So that is it, y'all. This is it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. Let's eat, y'all. We're gonna be a chef by the time this quarantine is over. But look at that. Look at their pork chops. Look at this. Look at this. Zoom in. Zoom in. All that fat has been melted off. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Thank you guys.